Hello, I'm Mary Mertz, Director of the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, and we're here today to talk about the H2Ohio Rivers Program. The program is part of Governor Mike DeWine's H2Ohio initiative, and it's a way for us to maintain and improve the health of Ohio's rivers. Today I'm joined by Jon Horn, ODNR's manager for the H2Ohio Rivers Program.
Thanks so much, Director. The H2Ohio Rivers Program is a multi-agency effort that recognizes the impact clean rivers can have on community health, economic development, and outdoor recreation. We have three key parts to the program: monitoring and surveying river health, preserving healthy rivers, and restoring degraded rivers.
Jon, let's talk about the first key part of the program. Tell us a little bit more about monitoring the health of our rivers.
Key aquatic organisms, like freshwater mussels, can tell us a lot about river health. So we expanded the monitoring of mussels to determine the current population sizes and species in our large rivers. We're comparing those numbers to past surveys. Then we can continue monitoring these populations in the future. When we see mussel populations grow, we'll know our statewide efforts to improve water quality are working. We're also doing studies of some of the sites where we'll be removing dams. We're gathering baseline data so we can measure whether fish populations get better, which is what we expect, or otherwise after dam removals.
Okay, so we've covered information about data collection. So let's talk a little bit about the preservation of our very best rivers.
Sure. Ohio's got some really great healthy rivers, and we want to keep them that way. To do so, we're seeking to expand the Conservation Reserve Enhancement Program in communities along the Great Miami and Little Miami rivers. This program, long used in the Lake Erie and Scioto River watersheds, offers money to farmland owners who volunteer to dedicate a portion of their land to conservation purposes. This will reduce nutrients and sediments flowing off those farmlands and entering each river. It's a win-win for farmers and conservation. Along with that, we are preserving natural areas along Ohio's rivers and streams that protect water quality and the wildlife they support. We have protected 6 excellent properties through the program on rivers like the State Scenic Grand, Mohican, and Ashtabula rivers. Many will provide public access and recreation on some of Ohio's most popular rivers.
One of the most important steps is to preserve Ohio's high-quality forested areas to maintain healthy waterways in the future. But some of our rivers need even more help.
Yes, we've identified 3 major issues that impact our waterways: litter and trash accumulation, acid mine drainage, and lastly, dams. Ohio's rivers contain litter from both recreational boaters and illegal dump sites. These are areas along the river where people have tossed trash for decades. We've created 2 grant programs that address both types of litter.
Jon, you mentioned tires. So how many tires have we found in our waterways through this effort?
Entirely too many. I believe we're up over 4,000 tires collected from our waterways now.
Wow.
Part of that's through our Healthy Rivers Livery Program. Through the dump sites collection, we've found some sites where there are many, many tires, and they've added up to way more than we'd ever want to see by our waterways.
Right. So Jon, tell us a little bit more about the other components in the restoration program.
Many streams and rivers have been damaged by acid mine drainage. We are funding key projects that will improve the health of these waterways to bring new life to streams across eastern and southeastern Ohio. Lastly, dams. They can sometimes negatively impact fish and mussel populations and often cause water quality impairments and create recreational hazards for paddlers. We're partnering with local governments and conservation groups to remove dams around the state.
Jon, with all we're doing, that's still just the tip of the iceberg, right?
Yes, there's so much more we can do and we're planning to do that will help the health of our rivers. For anyone interested in finding out more information about the H2Ohio Rivers Program, head to h2.ohio.gov.
And make sure you stay connected to find out how you can help. In the meantime, get outside and enjoy Ohio's great outdoors.